this is here with friends and I protecting families by protecting the pack. Today we did the Kombucha SCOBY. I bought this and it comes with a starter tea culture which had a lot of CO2. It was pressurized pretty well, which means it was in there for a while, just brewing. And yeah, I dumped it into my tea and I threw my SCOBY in. I'll show you what I put. I put in a dark spot right over here. See? Oh, you can see it. That's it right there. And I put about a gallon, which is a gallon. I put, actually I made 2 gallons, so I put 2 cups of sugar, and this is a 3-gallon thing. 2 cups of sugar, my big old tea thingy, which I'll show you, and then filled it. Yeah, so what I did was I have a 1-gallon pot, so I made 2-gallon portions. So I put 2 cups of sugar, and then enough tea to make 2 gallons. And then once I poured it in there, I filled it up. After I made it, I chilled the pot. Once it's cold, I put it in here and I filled up with another gallon of water to kind of make my 2 gallons there. So let me show you the thing here. Yep, that's the tea I use. It's also on Amazon. I'll put that link in there. Anthony's Premium Organic Gluten-Free Tea. And I'll put this on there too. It's I fill up to the brim, like right there. And then as soon as you close it and you do your tea, it puffs up and fills up, and it fills the entire container. So, and I'll do that for 15 minutes. Well, it takes me 15 minutes to boil the water in a metal pot. This is the pot I use here. And then I put 15 minutes to boil, and then I'll steep it for 15 minutes, and I'll throw it in the refrigerator and cool it. Then we're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll put the links below, and that's how we make kombucha here. I actually kind of made a little extra thing. So once I do that, I have these kegs out there, and I'll actually pressurize it with some CO2, and that'll be my starter tea, and I'll actually brew it in my 5-gallon tanks. I happened to use up my kombucha. I drank all of it and forgot to have some starter tea left over, so I need to have a reserve of a SCOBY motel, just so that if I do accidentally run out, I have something to tap it from. So that's my SCOBY motel over there. Alright, thanks for watching.